Hello everyone and welcome to today's online class for class 12. The first question that we are going to study is saying that the non-volatile, the amount of non-volatile solid that has been dissolved in a 87.9 gram of benzene is 0.9 gram. So W2 is given is 0.9 gram and WB, which is the amount of benzene, mass of benzene, is given as the 87.9 gram. And also the question there is the molecular mass of this solute that is also given in the question, which is given as 103 gram per mole. The elevation of boiling point, that is the delta TB, is also given in the question, which is 0.25 degrees Celsius, or you can write it as 0.25 Kelvin. Now they have asked you to calculate the KB, elevation in boiling point constant, KB for the benzene. That is the question that they have been asked. So to calculate this thing, we have to calculate the molality of the solution. So the mass of the solute that is being given. So if W2 equals to 0.9 gram for solute and the molecular mass of the solute is 103 gram per mole, therefore we can calculate easily the mole number of the solute by 0.9 divided by with the molecular mass, which is 0.3, equals to, the answer will be 8.73 into 10 to the power minus 3 mole. So this is the mole number of the solute that has been dissolved in 87.9 gram of benzene. Therefore, the molality of the solution we can find 8.73 into 10 to the power minus 3 by 87.9 in gram multiplied 1000. Molar. This is the molality of the solution. Therefore, you can apply this amount in the boiling point elevation equation, which is delta TB equals to Kb multiplied molality, or Kb equals to delta TB by molality. Delta TB is given as 0.02 Kelvin. 0.25 Kelvin divided by 0.1. Therefore, 2.5 Kelvin kg mole inverse. This is the answer of Kb for this particular question. In the next question, the information that they have given, they are saying that in a 0.5 molar solution, KBr solution, the dissociation of the KBr is 80%. That is, the dissociation constant can be written as 0.8 is the dissociation constant, and they have asked you to calculate the I, Van't Hoff factor, for this particular solution. Now we can apply the dissociation constant and Van't Hoff factor relationship expression, which is given by alpha equals to I minus 1 by N minus 2, where N is the total number of ions that has been dissociated. Now KBr dissociates into K plus Br minus. So numbers of ion, that total number of ion that has been dissociated is 2. Therefore, we can find out by putting the value for alpha it is 0.8, I minus 1, for N it is 2 minus 1, or I minus 1 equals to 0.8, or I equals to 1 plus 0.8, or 1 plus 1.8. This is the Van't Hoff factor for this particular question. In this question, they have given the information, which is benzoic acid is dissolved in a benzene, 25 gram and 5 gram of benzene, and a solution has been made, and the depression in freezing point that they had observed is 1.62 Kelvin. So this depression in freezing point is the observed value of depression in freezing point. This delta TA prime equals to 1.62 Kelvin, and the amount of benzoic acid that has been dissolved, that is W2, is given as 2 gram. You can calculate the molecular mass of benzoic acid, and you will find the molecular mass of benzoic acid is going to be 122 gram mole inverse. And they also have given the K value for benzene, which is 4.9 Kelvin kg mole inverse. They have asked you to calculate the association constant beta. Now, association constant beta is expressed as beta equals to I minus Randolph factor minus 1 by n minus 1. Now, I has not been given in the equation. Instead, they have given delta TF prime. So, we can calculate I equals to delta TF by delta TF prime from this value. You can calculate equals to delta TF prime by delta TF from this equation. This has been given into the equation. I can calculate this thing, and this N is the total numbers of molecules of benzoic acid that has been associated. Now, benzoic acid, 2 molecules of benzoic acid associate to form the dimer of benzoic acid. As 2 molecules has been formed, therefore N in this particular associative reaction is 2. So only I have to find out to calculate this associative constant beta. N from the equation we know that 2 numbers of benzoic acid molecule associate each other to form the dimer into the solution. So N is 1. To calculate I need to find out delta TF, that is the calculative value or theoretical delta TF value. To calculate delta TF value, I need to find out what is the molality of the solution. Now, molality of the solution can be given as N2 by WB, amount of benzene. Now, N2 can be calculated as W2 by N2, given mass of the benzoic acid by the molecular mass of benzoic acid, by W2, which is given 25 gram multiplied 1000. W2 is given as 2 gram and M2 is 122 by 25 multiplied 1000. So the answer will be 0.656 molar. So this is the molality of the solution. Now delta TF can be calculated as KF multiplied molality. KF is given as 4.9 into molality is 0.656. The answer is 3.214 Kelvin. This is the calculative or the theoretical value of delta TF. The observed value of delta TF is 1.62 Kelvin. Therefore, very easily we can find I equals to delta TF prime by delta TF equals to 1.62 by 3.1214 equals to almost 0.5. So we have calculated I, and we can put this I value into this equation of beta, which is given by I minus 1 by 1 by n minus 1 equals to 0.5 minus 1 by 1 by 2 minus 1 equals to this is 0.504 almost 0.9. This is almost 0.9. This is the value of beta. That is 90% of the molecule will be associated in this solution of benzoic acid into the